Today, we are jumping into one of the most epic battles in the tech world, the showdown of the top programming languages. Which one should you learn? Which one will land you that dream job? And which one is poised to dominate the future? We're breaking it all down right now, so buckle up. First up in the ring, let's talk about the undisputed champion of versatility, Python. Think of Python as the Swiss Army knife of coding. It's incredibly easy to learn, with a clean, readable syntax that makes beginners feel right at home. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Python is a powerhouse. In the world of data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence, Python is king. Libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn have made it the go-to language for building complex algorithms and predictive models. But its capabilities don't stop there. With frameworks like Django and Flask, Python is also a major player in web development, powering the backends of sites like Instagram and Spotify. Its vast community and endless libraries mean you can build almost anything you can imagine. Now, let's shift gears to the language that practically built the internet and is still running it, JavaScript. If you want to work on anything that a user sees and interacts with in a web browser, you need to know JavaScript. It's the language of the front end, bringing websites to life with dynamic content, animations, and interactive features. Modern frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js have completely revolutionized web development, making it possible to build incredibly complex and responsive single-page applications. But wait, there's more. With Node.js, JavaScript broke free from the browser and stormed the server side. This means you can now use JavaScript for your entire web stack, from front to back, which is a massive advantage for developers. Its current trend is undeniably full-stack dominance, and it shows no signs of slowing down. Next, let's get into the world of performance and power with Java and C++. Java has been an enterprise-level titan for decades. Its motto is write once, run anywhere, thanks to the Java Virtual Machine (JVM). This makes it incredibly reliable and platform-independent, which is why it's the backbone of huge corporate systems, large-scale banking applications, and the Android mobile operating system. If you want a career in big tech or enterprise software, Java is a rock-solid choice. On the other hand, C++ is all about raw speed and control. It's the language you use when every nanosecond counts. Think high-frequency trading systems, cutting-edge video game engines like Unreal Engine, and performance-critical software like operating systems and browsers. It's more complex and has a steeper learning curve than Python or JavaScript, but the power it gives you is unmatched for performance-intensive tasks. So, what about the future? Where are things headed? The trend is clear: specialization and cross-functionality are key. Python will continue its reign in AI and data, as these fields are only getting bigger. The demand for data scientists and machine learning engineers is exploding, and Python is their primary tool. JavaScript, with its full-stack capabilities, will remain the undisputed king of web development, evolving with new frameworks and the expansion of web technologies into desktop and mobile apps. Meanwhile, languages like Rust are emerging as serious contenders to C++, offering similar performance with a major focus on memory safety, which is a huge deal for system security. We're also seeing the rise of languages like Go, built by Google for modern, concurrent, and networked systems. So, which one is for you? It all comes down to your goals. Want to dive into data, AI, or automation? Start with Python. Dream of building beautiful, interactive websites and apps? JavaScript is your path. Aiming for a career in big corporate enterprise systems or Android development? Java is a safe and powerful bet. And if you crave ultimate performance for gaming or systems programming, prepare to conquer the beast that is C++. The best language is the one that gets you excited and helps you build what you want to build. And that's a wrap on our programming language Royal Rumble. This is a dynamic field, always changing, always evolving. What are your thoughts? Drop your favorite language and why you love it in the comments below. Let's get a discussion going. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep coding, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one.